Problems happen every day. Maybe a toy will not work, two friends want the same game, or a puzzle feels tricky. Having a problem does not mean anything is wrong with you. It simply means your brain has a chance to think, learn, and grow. When a problem happens, we do not have to rush. First, we stop and take a slow, deep breath. Taking a moment to calm our bodies helps our brains think more clearly. When we feel calmer, it becomes much easier to decide what to do next. After we feel calmer, we can ask ourselves, what is the problem? Thinking about what happened helps us understand the situation. Sometimes the problem's small, and sometimes it's bigger. Knowing the problem is the first step towards finding a helpful solution. Now we can think of 2 or more possible solutions. Maybe we can take turns, ask politely, look somewhere else, or try again. Sometimes there is more than one good choice. Thinking of different ideas helps us become flexible and creative problem solvers. After thinking of different ideas, we choose one that is safe and kind. A good solution helps people feel respected and keeps everyone safe. We may choose to share, use kind words, wait patiently, or solve the problem together with someone else. Next, we try our plan. Sometimes our first idea solves the problem right away. Other times, it may not work exactly as we hoped. That is okay. Trying our best helps us learn new skills and become stronger problem solvers every day. If one solution does not work, we can think of another idea and try again. We do not have to give up. If the problem feels too big, confusing, or unsafe, asking a trusted adult for help is always a smart choice. We solve problems together. Every time we practice problem solving, our brains become stronger. Problems may still happen, but we become more confident about handling them. Making mistakes is part of learning, and every new problem gives us another chance to practice thinking and growing. Today, we learned that everyone has problems sometimes, and that's okay. We can stop, stay calm, think about the problem, choose a safe and kind solution, and ask for help when we need it. Every time we practice, we become more confident problem solvers. Great job learning today! Please help our channel grow by hitting that like button and subscribing so you don't miss any of our future education.